What's up guys, welcome back to the next video in learning Java. My name is QDS Daniel and you guys watching my channel Cryowood. As we said in the previous video that we're going to start statements, and soon we're going to go on we're going to see what is statements, and soon we're going to go on the control statements, we're going to go on the conditional statements, and we're going to go on the control statements. Alright, so as we said earlier at the beginning of this video is about the expression statements. So the statements, if you guys are declaring something like, for example, if you have a float water, and you can say water or something that how many liters, for example 23 liters, or some decimals, or you can put a price, or you can put for example fuel. So what's fuel, for example, you guys getting 35 liters and 67, or you guys paying that much. This is an example of statements, for example. And you have a string, our s1, for example, you put a string dot and you can put some sort of value. Say, for example, if it's double or float, whatever you want to put. Okay, so in this video we're gonna see the statements, and we're gonna see the input class in Java. So the input class is, as we also known as a scanner class. Say, for example, in C++ is cin, and in Java is input. But in Java is a scanner. In C++ is a cin, our C input, whatever, and in Python is input. So we have, if you guys want to see in and input, you guys can go and watch my another playlist about C++, how we take an input from C++, and we take the input in Python, for example, input. But in this video we're going to talk about the class scanner. Alright, so in order for us to understand fully all the statements in the scanner class, we go ahead and we're going to create another class, and you guys go ahead in here and put a Java class, and we can put a, for example, user input. For example, we can put our name of the class. You guys can do this way. So the first letter is uppercase, and then we're using the camel case, for example. So now our class is going to be user input and .java. So now our class has been created. You guys gonna see here, we still here in the package com.cryowood. The package is like modules in Java, if you guys don't know, but be careful because in Java we have modules as well. So package is we have all those collection of classes and all these methods and statements, variables, whatever you guys call it. This packages can contain. You guys can create more than one package, and then that's going to be our discussion in the future videos. We're going to create more than one package. Say, for example, package 1, package 2, package 3, and we're going to interconnect all these packages with each other. Alright, so as I said, in this video we're going to talk about the statements, and we're going to see the scanner class in Java. So first of all, the scanner class, say we have a scanner class, and it belongs to Java util, and we're going to see here util, and you're going to see this way. Alright, so I'll talk about the scanner class a little bit because that's a Java input. So I'm going to put a class scanner, and the scanner class belongs to the Java util. Say, for example, we're going to put a Java, and we put a util, and you're going to put with the import. You can see that the scanner is going to come in as import java.util.scanner. So now we are importing a package, just like our package here. There is a package in Java util.scanner. So that's exactly like our package, and we are importing this package. And this asterisk here, it means we are telling Java that whatever class is here inside this package, can you make it available to the compiler, so the compiler compiles. So that's what this asterisk means. All the classes, whatever class is available in this util package, make it available for the compiler. Alright, so now soon we're gonna go and we're gonna instantiate our scanner. Say, for example, we're gonna go soon, we're gonna see scanner. We're gonna call this package, this class scanner, and you can put some name, for example my input, for example our my name, for example you're gonna put some name, and we're gonna use the keyword new, and we're gonna put a scanner, and what we're gonna do inside, we're gonna put a system dot in. So what we're doing in this new keyword here is a way of Java to creating the object of this class, which is the scanner. So we have in this one sentence here, in object-oriented programming, here we have a class, as I said in Java util package, we have a scanner class. We put our class first, and we put some sort of name. That's our object name. Keep in mind, this is our object name, and we're using the keyword here new to instantiate this class. To why we do use instantiate, to create an object of this scanner. Say for example, if you have a class vehicle, and then if you want to use your vehicle, you can put a vehicle, and you can put a my vehicle. You can put your objects and name, and you put a new vehicle. So that's the way of Java says my vehicle, or your vehicle can be any vehicle. Say for example my Ford. So my Ford classes in Java in every other programming language are blueprint. We just create one blueprint, and we can create for example a lot of objects. Say for example we can name it Ford, we can name it Holden, GM, General Motors, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Toyota, my Toyota, my Suzuki, my whatever you guys want to create, and you guys keep on creating the objects. So that's the way of Java. If you guys want to create your class vehicle, if you can create only one class vehicle, and you can create your objects here. That's exactly same as Java. Java created a class scanner for input. We can put a name for our objects, and now here we're gonna create our object. So without further ado, we're gonna go and create our main method. So we're gonna say public, we say static void, and we put a main, and in here we put a string, array of strings of arguments. So after we create our main method here, which is the public static void main, we're going to create the object. So we're going to create scanner class object. Okay, so how do we going to create the scanner class? So alright, so if you guys come here and put a scanner, and now if you want to go ahead, there's a red line here, and the Java is telling you guys, look, hey, stop here, you just wait a minute. I've got this package java.util.scanner. So Java's telling you to stop here with this question mark, and it says alt enter. So now what this means is that Java, there is a package somewhere in Java with this class scanner belongs, and the package name is java.util.scanner, and that's the package name. There is a question mark, says if you guys don't know about this package, just press alt enter. So when you press alt enter, Java is going to include it for you. That's it. Because if you guys working with Android Studio in Java programming, and you guys going to see this one all the time, every now and then, whenever you guys going to create some sort of classes for any purpose or reason, the Java is going to give you this message that if you guys don't know about this one, I'm going to include it for you if you press alt enter. So when you press alt enter, Java is going to include this class scanner for you. So we're going to press alt. If you guys go ahead and press alt and enter at the same time, and it says that import class. So once you import class, you guys go ahead, the Java is already imported for you, and you guys need to create your object. For example, we can create a scan object, and now you guys gonna put a new scanner, and you're going to see here the Java is already including for you. And look in here, then you guys need to put your semicolon, and look, there is a line here. If you put a system dot in, so this system.in represents the keyboard, and by associating our scanner object with the system.in, you're telling Java to get the input from the keyboard, whatever the user is going to put it from the keyboard, as opposed, say for example, you guys go ahead on Facebook and Twitter or whatever social media or any other file dealing website or application. So when you guys you want to put your photos or something, your group photos, your friends photos, you guys go place a file and you get it from the from the system instead of from your disk, the local disk. So now you're telling Java to get it from the user input, whatever the user types. The next line is going to be our system dot out dot print ln. We can put a print ln, and what's going to put inside? Enter your name. We put a enter your name. So effectively now we are telling our user to please enter your name. So I've got a typo here. Alright, so now we're gonna read the user input. So we're gonna read user input, whatever the user is gonna put. So how do we gonna read through this guys here, system.in, because this one's gonna associate our object with the keyboard. So we're gonna put a string, and we're gonna put a, say for example, my name. You can put my name as a name, and you can use your object. Where is your object? Scan obj, that's your object. We can put a scan obj dot next line. So there's a next line, it's a type string, and now we're going to read the user input, whatever user is going to put inputs. So now we're going to use our concatenation to connect this guy here with our output. So we're going to put a system dot out dot print ln. We can put a hi, we put a good morning, and then you can put a, say for example, morning, welcome to our app, for example. Now you can use your concatenation, and the next one you guys can use this name. Say for example, now it's my name. Alright, so now there's only 4 lines here. The first one is we're going to create an object from the class scanner, and this guys here is going to associate your keyboard to your class, to your objects here. And here we're just putting some sort of output to the user to enter your name. Here we're getting the output from the user, and we are using the data type string, and we are using some sort of name, and you can use this object. We can use dot, and we put a next line. Next line means we're getting all the user input, and here we are displaying the user input, plus we are using the our concatenation here, and we are using this name here to output. So we're gonna go here and run, and if you look in here, run, we put a user input. So the Java is gonna compile it for us, and we're gonna see soon. So now Java's ready. It says enter your name. So in my case, I'm gonna put a Yazdani. You can put your own name, and once you press enter, it says hi, good morning, welcome to our app, Yazdani. How cool is this? So now effectively through the Java, we are inputting our name. Alright, so I'll recap that in this video we have seen the statements, and we have seen that how to import the package scanner, and the Java is going to do it for you. We have seen class scanner, we have seen Java util, that's a package, and we have seen how to instantiate our classes, and we create a new object. And here we use the Java's input keyboard, whatever. Here we use the class scanner, and we are creating objects here. You don't have to put a scan object, you can put something else, your name objects, whatever objects, ABC objects. So you can use the keyword new to instantiate your class, and you can this guys here are to get the user input from the keyboard, not from everywhere else, but just keyboard. Here we are displaying that you entered your name, and here we are getting the user input from the whatever the user types. So now whatever the user types, gonna be stored here in my name, and here we are all gonna output this one from my name. You can put your name, you can put XYZ name here, you can put any name here. So that's how we're gonna get user input. Well guys, and I let you know that there are a lot of ways, ways to get the user input. For example, you can instead of next line, you can get a next boolean or next byte or next double. We can have next int, our next long and next short. So we're going to show you guys in the next video the different types of getting the user input, not just by next line. So when you guys going to deal with the numbers and doubles and floats, you guys can use the next line. You guys will be using, say next float, our next double, our next byte. That's what you guys going to be using. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and we're going to explain to you guys all of the input types in the next video. That's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.